Oh hey everyone, didn't see you there. I watched you redo the intro 14 times. Well, they didn't know that. Anyways, we're gonna be doing some baking today. I need to save myself. This is a real recipe I use in real life, so using my instructions, you can make it too. Don't burn down your house though. I am not liable to any of your injuries. Today we are making a chocolate cake, and we will be using Devil's Cake Mix, because homemade baked cakes are just as good and they take longer. So let's get started! Set the oven to 180 degrees. Yeah, nailed it! Now we need 120 milliliters of vegetable oil. Remember to set your scale to 0. But I use sunflower oil because I'm cool. No, you're not. I thought you were running away to save your life. I'd rather die and make fun of you. Don't worry about him. I changed my mind. Now we need 230 milliliters of milk, but you can also use water. Remember to set the scale to 0. And now we need 3 medium eggs. I have large eggs, so we only put in 2. Now we add in the cake mix and give it a whisk until it has a creamy texture. Now we need to grease 2 tins with some baking paper and some butter. Now we pour in the mixture and put it in the oven and leave it for 25 minutes. You can see the temperature of the cake by putting something pointy down the middle. If when you take it out, stuff sticks to the side, it needs to cook for longer. I don't want to talk about what happened in the 25 minutes. All that matters is that the cakes are done. We still have to do the frosting. Soften 50 grams of butter in the microwave and then put it into the bowl. Now we need 150 grams of icing sugar. Now we need 20 grams of cocoa powder. Whisking time! Now we need some milk. Don't overestimate the amount of milk you need. You only need a tiny bit, because frosting shouldn't be watery. And now we coat the middle and top layer. And now you have super awesome, tasty chocolate, tasty, scrumptious, delicious, awesome, tasty, scrumptious, scrumptious, yeah, cake. I forgot to turn the oven on! Loser.